In this video I will demonstrate you how to use the iMOD plugin and especially the widgets to open borelogs in QGIS and display them in a cross-section. And therefore I opened a project already with the OpenStreet background and also a digital elevation model of the area. You can see when I click my mouse left it will be yellow, when I click right it will be blue. So this is the area. If you imported the iMOD plugin, you will see the iMOD toolbar with different widgets. In this demonstration I will use two of them. The first one is the Open IPF widget, and with that widget I can open a point file containing borelog information. So I open the file with the borelog information, IPF, and I will see the locations. There are 7 locations. Let's add a label. There are 7 locations where there is a borelog available. Okay, so the next step is to open the other widget, the cross-section tool. When I open it, this cross-section area appears, and with this button select location I can select a cross-section over the area. So let's go from this point in the middle to the other ones, just following the digital elevation model. And you can see in yellow a small buffer. We can make it a little bit larger to select all locations in this cross-section. Okay, I'm going to load the boreholes to the cross-section. So I select boreholes. I don't need to pick a variable and I add it. And it's not plotted yet, but if I click plot, the borelogs will go to the display. And when I go with my mouse from left to right, you can see here a small cross following the line on the position where I am. So now I can follow the locations of the boreholes. In addition, I can also add the digital elevation model to the cross-section. So I select the digital elevation model, I click add, and also here I click plot, and now you can see that the digital elevation model is added. Okay, and now you can play around a little bit. For instance, you can use your left mouse button to move the full display, and you can use your right mouse button to zoom in, not only horizontally like this, but also vertically like this. And if you are a little bit confused, you can always go back to the original situation by clicking here. And of course there are also some other things you can do. You can switch off legends if you like. You can switch off all layers, and if you like you can also export the display to a CSV file or a PNG file. So you can play around a little bit. Good luck. Thank you.